Check this.
Hello, welcome to Meeky, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to install XAMPP on your Windows PC. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open this URL apachefriends.org and download any of the versions of the XAMPP from this. I have downloaded this 7.3.6 version, so I'm skipping the download part and I'm heading over to the installation of that. So after downloading, you might be having a file like this. So double tap to on yes. Wait for the installer to open. Ignore this error. Actually, it's a warning. Ignore this. Click next. Click next. If you want to change the installation directory of XAMPP, you can change it from here. I'm keeping it default. Hit next. Hit next. It will take you to XAMPP website. Close it. Now hit next. Now it will start to install. Wait for the installation to complete it. If you want to skip this part, you can skip it. Meanwhile, you can check Meeky hosting. Meeky hosting provides cheap web hosting. It provides web hosting at 250 INR per year. So please do check Meeky hosting. The links are provided in the description below. Okay, we have installed XAMPP on our Windows PC. Now click on Finish and XAMPP control panel will start. This is the English version and this is the German version. I'm selecting the English version. Hit save. Now start this both Apache and MySql. They both have started successfully. Now if you want to test it, I'm testing the MySql like PHP admin. So click over to this admin button, and yes, our XAMPP has successfully installed on our Windows PC. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Kishan, and I'm see you in the next time.
Check this.